Hello and welcome to the OSD demo of the authoring module. In this demo, we will cover how to create and manage graphics in the draft. This demo is relevant for authors and leaders that can add content to a draft in the preparatory and committee draft stages. First, let's begin with how authors can create graphics. There are three types of graphics: figures, images, and inline images. Figures are numbered graphics. They can have other attributes such as title, legend, or even another graphic. Images are non-numbered graphics with no title, and inline images, as the name suggests, are graphics inserted in the same line as the text. All images are uploaded as a PNG file to the image library before they can be inserted in the draft. To insert a figure in the draft, first place your cursor in the right place within the draft. Then go to the Insert menu and from the Graphics drop-down, select a graphic type. For instance, here we are going to select the type figure, which is an image with a title and a number. Here you can select an image from the image library or add a new one. It has to be of the type PNG from your device, for instance, and then select it and click on the Insert button. For a figure, you can add certain attributes, for instance, a title. Here we are going to add the title My Figure 1. You can also add other types of attributes from the context menu of the figure. So here we are going to add another graphic. So again we select an image from the image library and click on the Insert button. Now we can add another attribute of the type legend. So we add a legend where you can add certain keys and descriptions to them. So here, for instance, we are saying that there are two images, image 1 and image 2 in this figure. Image 1 is about the sales management process, SMART, and image 2 is about business process management. You can scroll up to see that a figure is a numbered graphic. Now let's type another type of graphic. So we are going to add an image. Again, from the image library, we select an image. You will notice that a graphic of type image does not have a number and you cannot add any other types of attributes to it, such as a title. Last, let's insert an inline image. So again, from the graphics menu, we click on inline image, select a particular image from the library and click on the Insert button. Any modifications to a graphic in the draft for now must be done outside of the OSD platform. In future, we plan to integrate the platform with a graphic management tool. It is not possible to modify an image itself in a graphic from within the OSD platform. You would have to modify the image externally in a graphic management tool and upload the image as a PNG file in the library. But it is possible to replace the existing image with a new one from the image library. For instance, here we select the image, then from the Element menu near the breadcrumbs of the image, we select the option to change graphic. Then from the image library, we select an existing image or first upload one and then click on the image and click on the Replace button. It is also possible to modify the attributes of a graphic of type figure. Here, for instance, from the context menu of an existing legend, we choose to remove it. We can also modify the title of the figure. Here, for instance, we change the title to My Figure About Processes. We can similarly go to the context menu of the figure and add or remove more attributes. Graphics in the draft can be deleted from either the breadcrumb at the bottom or from the context menu of the graphic. To remove a graphic of type figure, you can go to the context menu of the figure and then select the option Remove. Or you could select the graphic by clicking on it or by clicking on Figure from the breadcrumbs at bottom. Then from the element menu, select the option Remove. It is also possible to simply select a graphic of type figure and click on the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it. Similarly, for a graphic of type image, you can select the image either directly by clicking on it or from the breadcrumbs and then select the option Remove. It's also possible to delete it using the Delete key on your keyboard. It's exactly the same process for an inline image where you could select and remove from the breadcrumbs or click on the Delete key on your keyboard. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. We encourage you to watch all other available demos in case you haven't already done so. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at helpdesk@iso.org.